This is my favorite way of making good old traditional spaghetti in a manner your body will love. It's super simple and it's delicious. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mariam Shibly and today I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious spaghetti. If you guys want me to share more recipes and tips, subscribe below so I can create more videos for you. For this recipe, you'll need your choice of vegetable pasta. Barilla is one of the brands I like to use because if you look on the back of the amount of low sugar and the only ingredient you have is red lentil. And the amount of sodium is great as well. Another favorite brand of mine is Banza pasta. It's delicious and very easy to make as well. So it's up to you to choose whatever brand you like. You'll need your favorite marinara sauce, and I'd like to thank my Instagram family for showing this sauce to me. It's awesome. It's a heartier sauce, and why I love it so much is because it has 100 calories and it has 4 grams of sugar, which is 0 added sugars. It's delicious and great. Another favorite sauce of mine is by Trader Joe's. You'll need half a cup of fresh parsley leaves. If you don't have fresh parsley leaves, you can always use 1 teaspoon of dried parsley. You'll need just a handful of fresh basil leaves, and if you don't have fresh basil leaves, that's okay. You can use 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of cayenne red pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and you can always add more to your liking. 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and if you don't have Italian seasoning, you can just use half a teaspoon of dried basil, half a teaspoon of oregano, and half a teaspoon of thyme. 1 teaspoon of dried parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano leaves, salt to your liking, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, about 3 to 4 garlic cloves, crushed and chopped, 1 yellow or white onion, sliced and chopped. Let's get started. Let's start with boiling hot water for our pasta. In the meantime, put your nonstick pan on high heat to sear some onions. If your onions start becoming dry, add water instead of oil to help them caramelize. Once the onions caramelize, go ahead and add your chopped garlic and let them cook for about a minute or so. Next, you'll want to add in 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, or less if that's too spicy for you, and mix it into the onions. Then go ahead and add your boiled and drained spaghetti to the mixture and make sure the mixture is folded and stirred into the spaghetti very well. Next, we'll want to add our favorite marinara sauce. I always end up using 1 whole jar, but it's up to you. And then we'll go ahead and add our seasonings. We'll start with 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes, and 1 teaspoon of oregano leaves. This part didn't record properly, so make sure you add all that in. Then we'll go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of black pepper and then add salt to your liking. And the last couple steps is to add your fresh parsley leaves, and then go ahead and add some of your chopped basil leaves. Mix it all together. Last but not least, we'll top it off with 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Add a stem of basil leaves as a finishing touch, and voila! You are done, and you are about to have some of the best marinara spaghetti of your life. If you guys love this recipe, then you have to check out my shrimp fettuccine. It's gluten-free and low carb. And if you're curious to see how I make flavorful and healthy chicken, I've linked that below as well.